Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an anti-acne concealer. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Because it's a cream concealer, it will give you great coverage on your spots, but it also has a lipid-soluble active in it, which actually helps to reduce the sebum on your skin, has great in vivo efficacy data for blemish control. I will add some titanium dioxide, which is the opacifier in the concealer for its coverage, some yellow, red and black iron oxide along with some mica into the grinder and just grind that down into a fine powder. Once you have ground the pigments down to a fine particle size so that particles are small and homogeneous, you can then add the pigments into the lipids. I'm using a combination of light skin fill esters so that the cream concealer doesn't feel heavy or greasy on the skin, and some beeswax to get that cream consistency. You can play around with the input of colorants to get the color that you want to achieve, and you can play around with the input of titanium dioxide for the amount of coverage you want to achieve. And then we'll just gently heat those until all the wax has melted. I'm just going to continually stir as I heat so that pigments are evenly distributed. Once the waxes have melted and the colour is evenly distributed, you can take it off the heat and allow it to cool while gently stirring. Now that the formula has cooled slightly, I can add in the active and the antioxidant. I have chosen Baku Lipid, which is bakuchiol, a natural-based skin-friendly alternative to retinol, in natural unsaturated phospholipids to enhance skin penetration. This active is Cosmos approved and has in vivo data to support both anti-blemish and anti-aging properties. By adding this to your concealer, you can actively reduce the sebum level of your acne while getting coverage. You can see the formula starting to thicken as it cools. And I'll finish off with an antioxidant to prevent any oxidation in this formula. Once that's mixed in, I will pour that off before it gets any cooler and pop it aside to set. Make sure you pour this one off while it's still warm because it has the waxes in it, so once it cools completely, it will solidify a little bit more. So then when we come back and the formula has cooled down completely, we have this beautiful cream consistency concealer that has Baku Lipid in it, which will help to reduce the acne on your skin while you're covering your spots. See? And that's how easy it is to make an anti-acne concealer. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!